This is the new classic of the house, and this twist bag was introduced at the 2015 cruise show. So, ibig sabihin mga mami, we consider these bags as part of the classic bags. Okay, so now, if you're looking for a bag that is for gala, for event, and for party, you must consider the twist bag. Okay, so first in the line, total hawak ko na siya. I'll show you this top handle in gold hardware. Top handle niya, mami, is leopard, and we are selling this for only 165,000 pesos. And these are all negotiable, ha? Kasi ang brand nyo ng mga ganito, mami, is umaabot po ng 265 to 300 above. Depende po sa style and sizes. Okay. Next one, we also have this top handle din. Black siya, pebbled leather siya. It comes also with a strap. And this one is only 160,000 pesos. And I have here a small size pala. Baka makonsider nyo kasi not all clients are looking for MM size. Sometimes gusto nila yung mga maliliit lang. We have here a lotus pearl color, mga mami, and of course the pink one. They are similar, yun nga lang, mami, pebbled leather din to or grain, pero yung isa po is the epi leather. And this one, we are selling this lang ng 169,000 pesos, and this one is 150,000 pesos only. Would you imagine? Ang mura lang nila. And of course, this one, parang light cream color siya. Ang nice nito. Ang strap naman nito, mami, is makapal siya, reversible, microchip to, and we are giving this for only 155,000 pesos only. And we also have a bicolor, the black one. Ito naka-plastic film pa po yung kanyang harap and yung kanyang likod. So this one is only 125,000 pesos. Yung strap dito, adjustable, color red siya. If you want a picture, we will send it to you, mga mami, ha? And of course, this one, my gosh, one of my favorite color, the gray one, in gold hardware siya. Ito yung classic talaga, yung hindi adjustable, yung pwede mo siyang i-shoulder bag talaga. And we're giving this for only 138,500. And of course, we also have the caramel one of my favorite also here sa showroom natin, mga mami. And this is only 155,000 pesos. So if you're looking for a bag that is really for party, and maybe you consider these bags, add to your collection. So if you want another contents like this, mga mami, just let us know. Comment down below. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you.